good morning, guys. How you doing? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're great. Yeah, and you're keeping safe, by the way. So, guys, it's on a Friday morning, and I'm already at work. And it's a weekend. I don't know if I have any plans for the weekend, but for now, I don't think if I have any. But I think I've stayed with this hair for so long, and I think it's time to remove it. Yeah, because I don't want to lose my hair. When you stay with braids for so long, you usually lose a lot of hair because some might just fall off, like this one. You see, it's almost getting off. So I usually apply gel, and I don't think if that's good because gel usually contributes to loss of hair. So I don't want that to happen. I don't lose a lot of hair and yet I'm still young. Yeah, see, this is my today's outfit. Remember this top, I really love it. And guys, please don't say I'm wearing it for so long. No, like that day I didn't wear it for the whole day. Guys, this is the my outfit of the day. Those are my shoes. Yeah, these are my shoes. And then this trouser, jeans, black trouser, and then this top, and then this shawl. But then I have a surprise. There's this company that they decided to surprise me, and I'll show you guys. They surprised me with shoes. By the way, these are handmade massage shoes, and I'm going to show you guys. And by the guys, they usually sell it at a very cheap and affordable price, and they deal with customers all over the world, whether you're abroad or within Kenya or within Africa. Wherever you are, you can actually order your product and get them. Whoa, I'm so tired of holding the camera. You can actually order and get your shoes, yeah, at a very cheap and affordable price. And then also, one thing I realized about them, they are so friendly. So guys, what I'm planning to do for the weekend is do my hair. First of all, we'll know about that. For me, one thing I realized about myself is, if I plan for something that I want to do that thing. So what I usually do is let the day run by itself and let everything happen by its own. And I've done that in my life, and I've never disappointed myself. So I just have to let the day run by itself, let the weekend run by itself. Let's see how the weekend is going to be like, and let me know what else you want me to talk about on my next vlog. If you're missing my talks, don't worry, because I think I'll talk in one or two videos, and then we see how it will work. Yeah. Hello everyone, how you doing? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're great. How was your day, by the way? My day was awesome. My day was good, and I had a very enjoyable and quiet day. Yeah, finally, guys, the weekend is here. What are you doing for the weekend, by the way? For me, as you can see, my hair is looking quite shaggy, and I was removing it. But then, guys, I've been doing this for 3 good hours. 3 good hours. I started removing it at 4, 5. Right now it's 10. While in the middle I was cooking and eating and all those stuff. The reason why I'm removing it at night, it's because I'm supposed to go and be plated in the morning, because the person that the saloonist that's going to plate me, actually she has a client at 12 noon. And I just wanted to be the first one, because I don't want I don't like waiting for something, or yeah, or something of the sort. Like me, I like being the first priority. Yeah, I'm so sorry for saying this, because everybody loves him or herself. Yeah, so guys, that's it. As you remember the gift that I told you I received from Belle's Choice, they sell these Maasai handmade shoes. Actually, I think you know them if you're an African. Yeah, I think you know them, the Maasai handmade shoes. They are so pretty, they're so cute, and then they are so Africanish. This is my first time to receive a surprise, by the way, and this is by my birthday month. So I just want to say thank you to the Best Choice company for the care and for your concern. And guys, I'm so happy. By the way, let me just show you the shoes so that you may not think I'm just running my mouth up. So these are the shoes. I told you they are the Maasai handmade sandals. As you can see, that's how they look like. Yeah, I don't want to see my number. So that's how it's looking like. But then guys, it's not only these designs. They have several designs. I'll leave their website link down below the description box so that you may follow them and check out the type of shoes they have, and then the type of designs they have. They have so many designs, by the way. I think the best thing to do is to go to their shop, as they told me they have a shop at Tomboya in Nairobi town. So I'll be going there and I'll review the shop so that I may show you guys how it's looking like. Yeah, and so that you may be able to see the different types of shoes that they have. I think that should be much easier rather than telling you guys to go and see the types of shoes they have on their website. To add on that, in one thing I loved about it is that they supply their products even externally, even outside country, like let's say you are in Africa, you are sorry, let's say you are in United States, United Kingdom, Germany, yeah, wherever. When you order these products, these shoes, you will actually get them, and you'll get them at a very cheaper price. Yeah, so guys, that's it, that's all. Oh, the price of these shoes, I'll actually link it down below the description box. Yeah, it's so affordable by the end. I'm so sure you're going to love them. So guys, please let me know if you love the shoes, by the way, and let me know which designs will you love much more, and let me know what you to know about the Belle's Choice company. Actually, you can just for actually to see more of the types of shoes, you can follow them on Instagram or Facebook at Belle's Choice, and then you'll see the types of shoes that they have and the designs they have. And also you can just talk to them via DMing them on Facebook or Instagram. Yeah guys, I think I'm going to wrap up from that point and wait till tomorrow. For now I'm so tired. I think I'm going to sleep like this because I'm feeling so tired, like, yeah. But I'm not that lazy to sleep like this. I just have to finish removing it. By the guys, don't laugh my forehead. I know I have a very, 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 very big forehead. Yeah, and I really love it. And then one funny thing is that I don't have edges too, and my hair is too dirty. Sorry, I don't have edges too. What I usually apply on the edges is gel, even though I was warned about applying gel. But you know what, I can't just stop using gel because with me, without gel, my hair will just look shaggy, and I don't want that to happen. Yeah. Hi everyone, how you doing? I hope you're doing good. How's your morning? Well guys, today is on a Saturday, and as I had told you yesterday night that I'm going to make my hair. But then guys, I didn't finish removing it. As you can see, I didn't finish because I got tired, and I just went to sleep like that. I can't remove this cape because the way I'm looking, guys, you'll run. So my today's outfit is this crop top, this tight, and then those my size shoes. As you can see, they're so cute, by the way. You can make your orders. And then this long sweater. I usually get my braids from Best Lady, and here it is. Toodles. I just decided that I'm going to do normal braids because I don't have any other idea. I'm not thinking of any other idea apart from braids. By the guys, I think I'm early. I think I'm going so early because it's 8, almost 9, and I'm just crossing my fingers so that I may not get that lady a jam kabado, because I don't know what I'll do. And you know, have you ever have you ever got yourself in a situation where you're supposed to meet with someone, and then you're supposed to meet them at their own house, and then when you go, you find nobody has woken up, they're still sleeping. You know, it's a very awkward situation, and that's what I don't want to happen, because it's so awkward to go and wake someone up. She's the one who told me to come early, and that's what I'm doing. You know me, I'm good in keeping time, and I don't like letting people down. So I'm just going early and get my hair done, and so that I may look pretty again. Yo guys, at least I'm finally up, almost there. I didn't get lost because I didn't know the specific place where that lady stays. So, but I think I'm almost there. I didn't get lost, and that's why I'm so happy. Yeah guys. Whew, finally. Finally, and with it, I had to walk 1 kilometer, 1 full kilometer to reach to that place. Anyway, I just believe in her because most of the time she's the one who makes my hair, and she usually come to our house. So this is my first time I'm going there, and according to the directions that she gave me, I think I'm on the right track because I'm just there. I've even seen the gate. Yeah, so guys, let's go. And for now, I know she's already awake because it's too late, 9. Yeah, guys, that's where I'm going. This is the place. Yeah. Yeah. Why you're not here? I've finally seen her. She's done. Who say hi to my people? Say my hi. So say hi. Guys, she's actually going to remove this one because for me, I'm tired. I can't finish it by myself. So she's going to help me remove this, and yeah. Hi guys, I'm finally done. So this is it. They're box braids. Tell me, how do I look? I don't look sexy. So I'm done. And guys, imagine I'm just coming back right now. Yeah, and it's at 7 o'clock. Yeah guys, so I want to edit this video so fast as I can, so that I will be able to post it right now, and by 8 the video will be ready to be watched. So let's keep in touch. Thank you so much for keeping in touch. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Let's meet on the next video. I think I'm going to wrap up at that point. I love you so much. Bye.